Hi, I've just received my new phone today. So it's Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. So that's the package I've got. So this is going to launch tomorrow. So I've actually pre-ordered it and I've received it quite early, so one day early. So I'm just going to show you, unbox this and show it to you. So let me just open it up and have a look. So let's just open it up. There. Okay, so that is something which I got an offer. So with the Samsung phone, there was an offer that you'd get Galaxy Buds Pro earbud. So we can open this later on, so I'm just going to put that on the side. And I think that is its smart tag. And open that up later. And that's the phone, and that's the cover. So let's put this together. So that's what I've got. So let's start with the phone. So as you can see, this is S21 Ultra 5G. Now let's unbox this and have a look. Okay, so I'm just going to turn this over. And so this is how it looks like. So there are different colors. So I chose black, but there are silver. I think there are 3 different other colors. So this is what I went for, and it looks pretty nice. It's matte black, so I quite like it. Yeah. So I was worried about the size of it, but I think it looks pretty okay. So it's around 6.8-inch screen. So it goes quite nicely on my hand, and it's quite easy to carry as well. So just to let you know that the cover, which I bought, this was separately, so I paid separately for that. So it doesn't come along with the Samsung phone. So yeah, so it weighs around 227 grams. So as you can see, there are 3 cameras on there. So yeah, so I think the main camera is around 108 megapixel, then it's 12, the second one is 12 megapixel, and the third one is 10. And the front camera has got quite good megapixel, it's around 40 megapixel, which I think the pictures are going to come really nice. Okay, and finally the storage is, I think I went for 256 gigabyte. So you have 3 different storage, so you can go for 128 or 256 or 512 gigabyte storage. So I'm just going to switch it on and see how it looks like. So let's see what else is there. So that's the charger, and I don't think there's anything else. That's it. Yeah, that's all we've got here.